He was 51 years old. No job. No savings. No plan. His business had crashed. His friends had disappeared. And every morning, he'd wake up with that same voice in his head whispering, "You blew it. It's too late now." That voice, it's the killer of most dreams. It doesn't scream. It just whispers. Quietly. Consistently. Until you believe it. He believed it for years, until one morning he didn't. He woke up, looked at the mess around him, the unpaid bills, the empty inbox, the silence, and said, "If I'm already at rock bottom, I might as well start climbing." And that's how it starts. Not with motivation. Not with some perfect plan. It starts when you finally realize that staying down costs more than trying again. He didn't get lucky. He got disciplined. He picked one thing, learned it from scratch, worked when everyone else was sleeping, failed again, adjusted, rebuilt. People called him crazy. He didn't care. Because once you've lost everything, you stop caring about opinions and start caring about progress. Fast forward 5 years. That same man now owns multiple businesses. He's mentoring people half his age. And when someone asks him, "How did you do it?" he laughs. Because the truth is simple. He just didn't quit. See, people think success is about age. It's not. It's about capacity. Your capacity to start over when everything in you says don't. Starting over isn't glamorous. It's quiet. It's lonely. It's doing reps in the dark when no one believes in you. Not even you. But that's what builds proof. And proof beats potential every single time. So if you're watching this thinking you missed your shot, here's your reality check. You didn't. You just stopped swinging. The clock doesn't decide your future. You do. So start the business. Learn the skill. Move to the city. It doesn't matter how old you are. What matters is whether you still have the courage to start again. Because nobody's coming to save you. But if you start today, in 5 years, you'll thank the version of yourself that refused to die quietly. Start now. Start small. But start. And let your results be the proof that it's never too late to build something great. Age doesn't stop you. Excuses do.